but then there's this very curious pull that I feel when you speak to like the thing that is not yet known, and sort of orienting to that thing. Like we're almost growing the curiosity within ourselves, as like a more and more powerful part of what's guiding our lives in a certain way. Like it's I think perhaps normatively curiosity is something that just sort of comes around and goes away, and it's not really doesn't have this like muscle almost quality. And when you do this like inquiry into the unknown in dialogue with people, you begin to grow that muscle, and it comes through into other dimensions of your life, hopefully, as well, and sort of opens out things there. But it's really, when I use the word curiosity, it feels for me like something sort of up here, and where it's come to rest in dialogue has been like much more here. Like it feels like the curiosity is very much coming from the center and pulling me towards the horizon. And it's really taken on a stronger and stronger spatial sense in like the last maybe 3 months or something, or 4 months. It's really begun to feel like something that I'm coming back into contact with each time that I'm coming into dialogue, and also outside of the dialogue.
Yeah, it's interesting because I feel that this this way of working recalibrates our like you're saying, curiosity. What I would have thought curiosity was maybe 30 years ago would have been much more intellectual. You know, like, oh, so and so wrote something about that. I'm very curious. I really want to read it. I really want to know it. I really want to find out. But this curiosity is like it's like a life force itself. This other curiosity. It pulls at the center of your being, and that pull is not related to emotionality, which is very interesting, because you put your hand on your kind of your heart center, and it's like, oh, that's the curiosity of the heart, but it's not an emotive quality, although it has a love in it. It has a generosity in it. It has a care in it that is not part of what we usually think of as curiosity, but those qualities come with that pull towards like, so what's next here? What will happen next? What will be revealed here? What wants to be known here? And that is yeah, it's a different kind of curiosity, but it's yeah, it has a more fullness to it.